Hey YouTubers, welcome back. This is the finished product of the lolly cake. Like I said, I did not add the coconut on the outside, just because I'm serving it to other people that do, not like the coconut, that don't like coconut. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to cut one slice of this and give it my honest review, taste test. I let this sit in the freezer for 1 hour, just like this girl did in the video that I saw. I followed her recipe. I will be sure to give her Silver Dingo, the user I got this from. I give her credit, and I'll be sure to link her video in the description down below as well. Here goes. Pretty good. The lollies almost taste like a marshmallowy bubblegum, but it's not bubblegum. Super good. And